Chat, today we are going to be talking about 5 ways to be a great viewer. Now, we've made a stream and YouTube video in the past of really bad things that people do as viewers, really bad viewer etiquette, so on and so forth. But today, I'm going to talk to you guys about the good sides, things that you can do that would help a streamer and help not just the streamer, but the community. Okay, so the first thing, and these are in no particular order, and there might be more than 5. I will open it up to everybody in chat as well to add suggestions at the end. But we're going to stick with 5 right now. So, to be a really great viewer, if you really like your content creator you are watching, you really believe in them, so on and so forth, the best thing that you could do for your favorite streamer is share their content. By sharing your favorite streamer's content on things like Twitter, Instagram, Reddit, it gets their content in front of more viewers, which brings more people to the streams to enjoy your favorite streamer. And honestly, you're doing a great service for your favorite streamer because it gives them extra time that they don't really need to invest in to promote their own stuff. So if your favorite streamer is talking about something or does something super funny on stream, clip it and then share it with others so they can also enjoy it, especially if they do something incredibly funny that made you laugh or even impacted you. Sharing content is amazing for a streamer and for the community to grow. Okay. The second great thing that you can do as a viewer, be welcoming to new people / new viewers. When somebody is new to a stream, they don't get all the inside jokes, they don't get all the puns and so on and so forth. So by being welcoming to new viewers and so on and so forth, you can make them feel like they're a part of the community, which is fantastic, which is something you want to do because you want new people to stay, you want them to interact with the stream, and you want them to be an average viewer. For example, we get 30 average viewers, I sing on stream, probably live. Yay! So when you guys see new people join, say hello. Make them feel a part of the family or the community that has been made by your favorite streamer. Right? Number 3. You could follow your favorite streamer on social media. Because just because your favorite streamer has not made a YouTube video or hasn't even gone live doesn't mean that, well, the entertainment's over or the interaction with the streamer's over. So you could add your favorite streamer on social media and honestly, you could talk to them, right? If you find a funny meme, you could join the Discord and at your favorite streamer and be like, hey, did you see this funny meme? Totally relates to you. For example, there is a streamer by the name of Heba. She gets so many water redeems, it is absolutely sickening. I don't know how she does it because I swear to God, she drinks like a container truck full of water and it's like redonkulous. So I sent her a meme. I'm like, this is totally you. And she laughed for a little bit and was like, yep, no, that totally fits me perfectly fine. So honestly, following your favorite streamer and interacting with them while offline is a fantastic thing to do. It also gives your favorite streamer a morale boost, especially if they're feeling down. You don't know what happens to your favorite streamer offline, so sending them a message, saying that you appreciate what they do can be a great impact. Number 4, give feedback. Whether it's positive or negative, feedback is an amazing thing for a streamer. So say, for example, chat, my microphone was sounding horrible. It might be some negative feedback, but I would want to know that. If my avatar is making this weird Joker looking face, I would want you to tell me, because sometimes, for whatever reason, face tracking just decides to have a hiccup and not work properly. So giving any kind of feedback, positive or negative, can really help the streamer and their content progress. But if you see your streamer doing something new, like a new sweater or new hair, or they put a bow tie, mention it. Please mention it, because these are the things that we try to add to spice up the stream, to change it up a little bit. And honestly, if you guys notice, say something. It definitely makes us feel pretty good inside. Okay, we're blowing through these kind of fast, but number 5. This one we're gonna spend a little bit more time on, but you guys never really think about this. Nobody ever really thinks about this. A lot of streamers don't even think about this. But I want to say this is actually probably the number 1 way you can really support a favorite streamer. Leave your favorite streamer on while you go out, or go for a run, or go for a poop. Gotta bring that down to a new line. Or a poo. Or even, I don't know, outside. Not even remotely near the computer. If you leave the stream on while you are doing other things, it gives it another viewer. And by having another viewer, especially on a platform like Twitch, it really helps a lot. So if you guys are going out or doing something completely different, please consider leave your favorite streamer running in the background, because it really helps. Yeah, it's also known as lurking. Exactly, Polly. Right? And you don't even have to be physically at the computer to lurk. Sometimes people think of lurking as that they are sitting physically at the computer with the streamer on another screen, whatever. Please, 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 especially streamers that are on Twitch. This really helps them get higher in the search ranking, which means, again, they get more viewers, more people that follow, and more of a community and other people to talk to and make friends with. So please, 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 when you guys go out, go to the movies, whatever, right? Lurkers are just as important as people that actively talk in your chat, if not more important, right? Because again, it's another view. But if you are going to be a lurker, if you are going to be somebody that leaves the computer and you're going to go outside for whatever reason because there is stuff out there, you got to make sure that you have your volume up just a little bit, especially on Twitch. Twitch will not count a view if you have it muted. It doesn't. It's weird, I know, but it doesn't count it. So make sure you guys at the very least have the volume up just a tiny little bit, and then you're good to go. All right, Candy, thank you so much for coming out. I appreciate it. So make sure you have that volume up just a little bit, so it counts as a view. YouTube doesn't care. You could just have the whole stream on. You can have it muted. You can have it minimized. YouTube won't care about that. Twitch does. So make sure you guys have the volume on Twitch. I know I said it like 3 times, but that is like literally important. Also, you can on Twitch, on YouTube, it's unlimited, but on Twitch, you can actively watch 3 different streams at a time and count as a viewer. Anything past 3, so for example, if you open up a 4th streamer on another tab, it will not count as a view, but the first 3 will. So if you like watching Senpai, like myself, on Twitch, you can have me up, and it'll count as a view. You could have Sapphire up, and it'll count as a view at the same time. And you could have Snuffy up, and it'll count as a view. But if you try to pull up I don't know, I'm trying to think of somebody that's on Twitch. I was gonna say Gura, but Gura's YouTube. Iron Mouse. I don't know why it took me so long to think of that name, but Iron Mouse, right, as the 4th will not count. So make sure you guys have your tabs open and you have the volume up just a tiny little bit. You don't have to hear them, but just a tiny little bit. Yeah, Asmongold, right? Asmongold's a great person. I'll have all 3 tabs up just for Asmongold. So yeah, you guys can definitely do that. Also, same thing with your phone, right? If you're watching your favorite viewer or not viewer, your streamer on the PC and you happen to have a phone, consider just loading them up on the phone. That extra view, especially when they're really small, like below the 10 viewer, it really, really, really helps them. A lot of people are going to call that view botting. It's not view botting because there's actually people watching. So yeah, consider it. Also, chat. You should always have your own stream open. If you have your stream open, that counts as 1 view. Okay? So, make sure you have your own stream open. You always should, because you got to have that mod command up. You should have mods screen up, because if somebody steps out of line or they say something they shouldn't be, yada da 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 da, you got to deal with it right away. So always have at least your stream up, and that will get you over the 0 viewer count. Okay. What about using multiple browsers? That does work. From last time I checked, that does work. No worries, Lord. No worries. So, those are my 5 things. Is there a 6th? Does anybody have a suggestion for number 6? What's some other ways that you guys can be a great viewer to the streamer? Not just the stream, though. Not just to the person that you're watching, but to the community. Right? A lot of people think of, you know, watching the streamer and that's just it. That it's just a streamer. It's also about the community, because without a community, you don't have a streamer. You don't have that person there, right? Wouldn't the audiences hear us twice if Twitch needs to have a bit of a volume up? No, you can actually manipulate it just a little bit. Like, and Starlight, you can literally have it up just such a tiny bit. You can manipulate it in Windows Audio and on the tab, so it's not hearable at all. Promoting cross chat, yes, absolutely, right? Cross chat, and so a lot of people don't think about this, and a lot of people think of this very, 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 very negatively. But cross chat, so 2 viewers or more talking to each other. Now, a lot of people think that all attention should be on the streamer in the chat. No, it doesn't need to be, right? Your favorite streamer is busy doing other things, like talking about what they have in their brain or working on the game that they're playing. Cross chat can actually help alleviate a lot of the pressure that your favorite streamer may have talking to chat. And honestly, talking to other people in chat is a great way for you to make extra friends. So definitely talk to other people that's in the chat, because a friendship can form, especially in the Discord. So number 7, these are the bonuses. You guys are doing good so far. Would clipping slash making memes technically be 1 point as well? Yes, absolutely. Clipping actually helps. Kind of goes into the sharing the content, kind of goes into number 1, but that's okay. But clipping slash making memes of your favorite streamer is a fantastic thing to do, because that just gets them out more, right? Especially if you clip like super funny moments, or especially like on Twitch, this is very common, but like a lot of streamers on Twitch will be like, hey chat, somebody clip that, right? Because that will also help them use that for like a future video that they may be using on YouTube or a promotion or whatever. So definitely clipping, making memes of them. Like, for example, there's a meme of Asmongold that he's balding and that his hair is basically a trident, or the tip of a trident, right? And those memes spread like wildfire and got more viewers into his stream. So please, yes, absolutely, make memes, right? Make it like not hurtful memes that'll hurt their feelings, but memes that like it's like haha funny type thing, right? Please, yes, absolutely. I do have a stream open, 2 different browsers on my Mac and my phone. Oh, that's good. If possible, put it on your phone and connect a headset to it. Yeah, that works too. Yeah. Use streamer emotes in other streams in a nice way, not for fun. Yeah, so John, that is a great thing too, right? You now this one will get some hate from other people, because a lot of people see this as kind of like go into somebody's stream and be like, hey, did you know so and so streaming? You should go check them out because of their emotes. No. Using their emotes in other chats. So like, for example, if I'm streaming on Twitch and some people come in from Sapphire's chat and uses her emotes, totally okay with that. Totally good. A lot of people are going to be like, hey, where did you get that emo? And people are going to be like, from Sapphire, right? As long as they're not linking Sapphire's stream into your chat, but just using the emotes, totally fine. I'm okay with that. But there will be content creators that have huge problems with other emotes being used in their streams. So if there is a streamer that says, please don't use those emotes in my chat, please respect them and move on and just use their emotes, okay? But that's one you guys got to be a little bit careful with, but yeah. Non-content creators say something like, you're just trying to cash in on their popularity, but us content creators are like, no, keep doing this, please. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So yeah, chat, please. Yeah. Cross-chatting, clipping / making memes and using their emotes, totally great thing to do, right? Like Thorn just posted right now, welcome gems, right? That's a Sapphire thing. I don't mind that. That's okay. If you guys want gems as emotes, go check out Sapphire on YouTube, right? She has fantastic emotes. I don't mind, but some people might. So make sure you guys are respecting that, and make sure you guys are reading the server rules before you do stuff like that, because usually if they don't appreciate stuff like that, they'll have it in the server rules. So make sure you guys are always checking out server rules before you go in and start interacting. Okay, awesome. Is there any other ones that you guys can think of right now? I think the 8 that we have are pretty good, right? So we got share their content, be welcoming to new people and new people / new viewers, follow your favorite streamer on social media because the fun just doesn't die just on the stream, just because the stream's over. Give feedback, positive or negative. Some streamers may have problems with negative feedback, but honest to God, if your favorite content creator wants to grow, if they really want to grow, they'll take the negative feedback. And leave them on. Definitely. Wearing streamers merch in public. Yeah, absolutely too. Yep. Right? Wearing their merch. Fantastic thing to do. Fantastic. Do it. But chat, that's it. That's my 9 things you can do to be a great viewer. Think about it.